Alright, these are different. Crestliners, kind of like small boats and everything for fishing. $30,000. $30,700 for this one. Look at that. Okay, 3 little seats here. Seat up there, and another seat there. Wow. 4-stroke Mercury motor. Here's another one. Wow. These guys have some good prices for this.
Notice that these boats are more expensive than the campers you filmed last weekend?
Yeah, that's when a boat is more expensive.
Some of the campers and stuff, you can actually buy 2 of them compared to just the price of
one boat. Yeah, this one's $24,319.
Yep.
Unreal. Okay, and it has a motor guide, X3. Okay. With the hitch and everything. Wow. It's really expensive. Just for a boat like that. I don't know. Doesn't quite seem deep enough, huh? Another Crestliner. This is $22,148. Great. Yeah, I like the blue. Yeah. Mercury 4-stroke. Alright, and that's the back side of these 3 boats I've been showing you. Oh, look at this one. Took the cap right off. I don't know if you're going to make it. Oh, you did!
Yes, I can.
Wow. Look at this. You get to see the whole inside the motor here.
4-cylinder.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. See if you ever wondered what the inside of one of these. Wow. Nice. All right. I want to show you all of it, so I'm tilting in. Cool. All right, this one's a 115 Mercury motor.
Yeah, well, that's the nice one I like.
Kind of neat. It's always nice to see the inside of the motor.
I've said that all.
That's the back side of that one.
I got a lot of people.
All right. Cool. Very nice.
Yeah, it does.
All right. I hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. Bye-bye.